Hi there, it's Sarah Salonen with Remax Parry Sound Muskoka Realty Limited Brokerage, and I'm sitting on this very cool spiral staircase, which actually goes to a loft, then down to the basement. So I just wanted to kind of give this a little start here to give you an idea of the house that we're looking at. This part was an addition, so I'm going to just take you on a little tour here. We're at 5 Ashwood Drive, the Belvedere area of Parry Sound. We're just a couple minute walking distance to Parry Sound, the downtown area, so you've got lots of stuff you can access that way. Some events that go on in the summertime, you definitely can walk down to the harbor, you can walk down to some fireworks, lots of great location things to go see. I will take you on the tour. We're about 2,000 square feet, 110-year-old home. Some of the trim and some of the banisters and things in the home are actually original, which is very cool, but there are lots of upgrades. I'm going to point them out to you as we go through. So if there's any more questions, please feel free to visit my website, sarahsalonen.com, and you'll see full information on there, and you can give me a call, 416-414-4487, arrange a personal tour, and I can point these things out to you in person. Maybe this is a home for you. Maybe you know somebody who likes that older home but likes the upgrades as well. So take a look. Any questions, just give me a call. So let's start. Just entering through the red door into foyer with utility room. Plenty of room for some extra storage to add up, whatever you'd like. Ceramic floor here, easy to clean. Access to upstairs. This room actually faces Ashwood. Park Lane goes down to the side here on this road. Main floor laundry and bathroom. Brand new shower has been installed. And main floor laundry. Flowing into the bright kitchen. There's plenty of storage space for your goodies. Also dishes. From the kitchen, moving on into the main living area. It's an open concept, open also to the loft upstairs. We'll go up there in a moment. Wood burning also here. Spiral staircase up to large loft area. This is used now as an office. Extra living space and library. The staircase here was also an addition put onto this home, so what they've added is some access here from the basement to the backyard. Also has some storage. This is how you get into the basement, and another rec room here. Starting up to the second level, we've got the 4 bedrooms. All very good sizes, each with their own closet. This one a little different with the window seat. New bathroom claw tub has just been installed. All fresh in the bathroom, which is right next to the master bedroom. Very good sized bathroom. Does face Ashwood, and it has 2 closets, not just one. That's what we call hers and hers. So for more information on this property, definitely you know what to do. Visit my website, sarahsalonen.com. There'll be full pictures, basement pictures. And for your personal tour, just make sure you give me a call.